Dementia TV. Hey there, Adventure Man here. Got my 35-pound backpack. Going up the hill. Gonna go see if we can find Mark. See if he's out here hiking with his backpack on. Go get him! Where's Mark, Gobo? Where is he? He said there's going to be a blizzard. There's the real Dementia TV. All right, Dementia TV. I don't know if we'll make it through here. We need Mark and his new bear knife. The Robo ripcord. Robot. Dr. Douche. It's a whole Dementia TV. Dementia TV. Adventure Man here. Dr. Dave. Robot. Robo ripcord. That's how much we hike with here at Jerky Ranch.